Okay, hey everyone, this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel gardener. If you can see up above, boy, that's pretty high up there, maybe 10 feet. There's a ripening rack of ice cream bananas. Now, the other day, I put this string on here because I kind of thought it was going to be ripening. But I went ahead and I had to go do a home HVAC system replacement. So yesterday I was out there all day and I did not walk the grounds. What a difference a day makes, because as you can see, this one here probably should have been taken down yesterday, but hey, today's another day and there's no time like the present to do it. So I'm going to do a quick harvesting of this really high. I mean, you can see it's way over my head over here, on how to take down a rack when it's way above your head. You know, if you follow my channel, that I'm a non-believer on getting on a ladder, because if you climb up and you cut that, the ladder could tip, or the rack could be so heavy, you're holding onto the ladder at one hand, you're cutting with the other hand. You have to hold the rack, so you got two hands up, one holding the rack, one cutting. When it comes down, you're going to go this way, you're going to release it so you can grip onto the ladder. I'm just not a fan of it. So y'all know how I bring these down, and for those of you that are new to my channel, this is the proper way to go ahead and remove a banana rack the safe way, because you don't want to kill yourself over a couple bananas. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this is the trunk or the stalk. I'm going to go ahead and give it a cut, but for that I need two hands. Okay, I got the camera out of the way. I have my all-time favorite saw that goes ahead and cuts on one or two strokes. Beautiful saw. It just cut like butter. So, and you don't want to cut too much. You just want to give it a slit until you can start hearing the cracking. So here we go. This is real weak, but you want to grab it. But first I'm going to start bringing it down. Make sure you got the right one. Okay, so I'm going to grab some of the leaves. I'll get on this side. I'm going to grab some of the leaves to start bringing it down until I could grab this portion. So as you can see, here it comes, and I'm grabbing this portion. I'm holding the leaves. Okay, so on this one, I gave that a little cut. There's ants all over that. And what I did when I gave it a cut, I grabbed the leaves because the leaves was stronger than the flower stem on the bottom. And once I seen it coming down, then I grabbed up the flower stem right under it, and I held the leaves in that, and I brought it to the ground gently, so nothing underneath is going to be squashed. Now I'm going to remove it. Okay, so here's the rack. Let me move over here. Okay, so here's the rack. As you can see, if I turn it, they're all intact, nothing squished. So you can see by bringing down part of the banana plant, holding the leaf and the stem or the stalk, you know, the flower part, and you bring it down to the ground gently, you're not going to damage your banana fruit. Okay, so these are plant ripe. I should say vine ripe, but it's not a vine. I got grapes. I harvest my grapes vine ripe. This is actually plant ripe. They're Namwa ice cream bananas. These are going in the house right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my freezer. After I peel them, I put them on parchment paper, put them in my freezer drawer. Once they freeze, I take them out, put them in gallon bags, and then put them back in the freezer. This way they don't stick together. Okay, so that's how you remove a good sized banana rack. And while you're at it, you have to enjoy what you grow, because you wait a year, you put a lot of time and effort into it, the anticipation. So why not, when they turn yellow, have one? Now, I just came out first thing in the morning to let my chickens out, and I took a walk around. I went ahead and harvested some grapes. Got to do that a little bit every day, because when they get soft enough, you harvest them. And I looked up and I said, oh man, if I didn't get that right now, they would start rotting by tomorrow. They'd be overripe. There'd be fruit flies all over them and stuff. And then my chickens will get those. But this one here is perfect. I love the taste. Going in the house, it's going on a fresh bowl of cereal with some vanilla soy milk as soon as I get in there. And the rest I'm going to peel, put on parchment paper. They're going in the freezer. I'll take them out tomorrow and I'll put them in gallon bags and enjoy them for months to come, because I got like 2 chest freezers, good size, big chest freezers filled with those. They stay their original color for like a year till you harvest more. But y'all know I got way too many banana plants. So for every, I don't know, so many that I harvest, the chickens get most of them. I give them whole racks. I really do. They love the bananas. They love the peels. They love the leaves from the banana plant. So it's a good source of food for your chickens. And then, of course, I don't want to run out. So every now and then, I bring some in the house. And every now and then, I do a video on the harvest. I don't do a video on all of it. Most of the time I'm working around here. I'm too hot, I'm too tired. I just want to cut it down. But every now and then I'll take out the video and harvest. I probably videotape 1 harvest out of every 10 or 15 harvests. Hey, you know, I would be doing harvesting videos every single day and I wouldn't get any work done. Now these leaves, I'm going to cut them off and they're going to my chickens right in there right now. Okay, so hey, I'm Sam, the Frugal Hugel Gardener. If you liked my safe way of harvesting, give me a like. Share my video. Subscribe, hit that bell up top, and you'll see other videos of everything I do around here. But most importantly, come on over to my Facebook banana group. The link is in the description of the video. Just click on it. It'll take you to the banana group. We have some smart people over there that can help you out with your banana plants. And it's a good place to show off. If you're growing bananas, take some photos, snap a pic, post a pic, get in on the conversation. It's a fun place. So I hope to see you there.